Tired of your networking efforts disappearing into a black hole? Asana can be your secret weapon for building and maintaining valuable connections. Let's create a dynamic connections list right within Asana. First, start a new project. Choose the list layout for a clean, visual structure. Name it something descriptive like client relationships or industry contacts. Now, it's time to populate your list. Each person in your network gets their own task. Click at Task and enter their name. For example, Jane Doe, Marketing Director at Acme Corp. This is where Asana shines at Custom Fields. Click on a task to open it and then click at Custom Fields. Think about what's important to track, like last contact date, relationship stage, prospect, warm lead, client, or key interests. Next, use tags for quick categorization. Tag connections by industry, expertise, or shared interests. For example, use tags like investor, mentor, or partner. This makes filtering your list super easy. Boost collaboration by adding relevant team members as collaborators to each task. This keeps everyone informed and allows for seamless handover and shared responsibility. Set due dates as reminders for follow-up actions. Whether it's scheduling a call or sending a quick email, Asana helps you stay on top of your relationships. Congratulations! You've now transformed Asana into a powerful relationship management tool. Stay organized, nurture your network, and watch your connections flourish.